Hi, my name is Sheila Halliday. I'm going to go through what I worked on for this next enhancement. I will be zipping up all the files and sending those. When we log on, we are going to be starting our session. So, session is started. I went ahead and I have already added our sign up. So we've already signed up our person. We're going to add our password. So it logs us in. Welcome, admin. You're logged in. Gives us the first name, the last name, the email. This is, I have this showing the level in which they are on. And we have our logout and the name admin right here. Let's validate. We don't have any errors in our HTML. CSS. We don't have any errors in our CSS. And there's no errors with the wave. Okay, so we are going to now change the admin to level 3. So we can actually do that inside here. We are going to edit client level is 3. Okay, so now, right over here, we're going to refresh our screen. There we go. They are now level 3, and this is the link for inventory management. And it would take you to this page to put that in. Go back to this page. We would need to show you that the logout works. So here's my link for logout, and we are back to the main page. So sorry I had to cut that for just a moment. I believe that's all I needed to show. I don't know if I need to the cookies, if we needed to view, like there's a cookie session. Yeah, so those are set up too. I wasn't sure if I needed that or not. So I hope you have everything you need, and I should have gotten my GitHub fixed and sent you an invite, and I will put the link in so you can view it. Thank you.